Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your device passcode when prompted. Once done, choose Add a Fingerprint and place the pad of your finger gently on the sensor so the iPad can register the center first. Make sure to lift and rest the finger repeatedly to capture different angles. This is the essential first pass. You are teaching the sensor the basic pattern of your fingerprint so later scans will match quickly and reliably. Now continue by adjusting finger placement to capture the edges and tilt. The sensor needs several impressions. As the progress animation fills, lift the finger slightly and reposition to register areas the sensor missed. If it stalls, dry the finger and the sensor then resume. Repeat until the device reports the fingerprint as complete. After the main scan, follow the on-screen prompt to scan the finger's edges so the iPad builds a robust template for lock, purchases. Finish by toggling which features can use Touch ID, device unlock, Apple Pay, and iTunes purchases, so the system knows when to accept your fingerprint. Once done, test with a quick lock and unlock, and add alternate fingers for convenience. If Touch ID fails, clean both your finger and the sensor, reboot the iPad, and delete then re-enroll the fingerprint. This resolves most recognition issues because it refreshes the template and clears transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.